Hello everyone, it's Elle from gmailfiend once again, and for this video I'll be teaching you guys how to add another signature in Gmail. So by adding another signature, it means that you already have a signature as of the moment, and that serves as your default one. So in my case, I have a default signature which I use for the company I work at, and I want to add in another one. So let's say it would be for personal use. So what you have to do is to just click the gear icon over here and click see all settings once the sidebar shows up. So click that, and as you can see, we are on the general tab. So just stay on that set tab and scroll all the way down until you see the signature part. So it's right over here. It's below the important signals for ads. So yes, as you can see, this is my default one, and I want to create a new one. So let's just click create, and as I've said, I'm going to use it for personal purposes. So here you can type in anything you like. So you can also add an image. So let's see. So let's just try to upload something from my camera roll. So let's just use this one. So this is actually my current icon, but I'm using it for the sole purpose of showing you guys how to customize your new signature. So as you can see, it's too big, and you just have to click the picture itself and click medium or small. So in this case, I'm just going to use small. So just click enter and just type in whatever you like for your personal signature. So you can also customize and add links or bold text, italicize, whatever you want. So in this case, I'll just change the font to let's say Georgia and use normal. So after that, then just go to signature defaults, click the drop down and click personal for both options, and then click save. So let's see if it worked. So over here, just click compose, and as you can see, this is the new signature that I have created. So yes, I now have two signatures for personal and the other for my company. So yes, that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you tune in for more.